Once I'm done with the barrel, I move on to the recoil spring assembly, and I will use a dry cloth to simply wipe down that recoil spring assembly. After the recoil spring assembly, I'm going to move on to the slide. The outside of the slide can be cleaned with an all-purpose brush. You can work any of the parts and pieces that are there, make sure they're free and clear of debris, and wipe them down with a soft cloth. When you get to the inside, the slide rails are a little more difficult to clean with just the brush. So I'm going to, within the slide rail notches, which run both sides of the frame, I'm going to take and place this patch in there, and using the narrow end of the all-purpose brush, work it back and forth within those slide rails to ensure that I get any debris that may be in there. You can see that they collect debris, and ensuring they are free and clear of debris is important to the correct maintenance and operation of your firearm.